I'm gonna put the booger. I'm gonna get your booger. With the vegetable ears. How to make a vegetable ears? Some. Okay. Now my lips. It's already pale. I'm gonna put in your eyes. I'm gonna put it in your eyes. And into the whoosh. It's about like that.
Sige. Momo.
You already eat. You already eat the color of this one. Eat the color. Do you wanna eat that one?
Nah.
Eat it. That is really helpful.
What?
I think the break is looking at food.
Food.
In the food. Look at food. Look at sassy.
Sassy.
I'm gonna shoot the coconut.
Sige. Dito na lang. Dito.
It's time.
Hindi ka kita. Hindi ka lagi. Hindi ka lagi. Leong.
Do you want to eat? What is it? Sassy.
Uy! Ano nagawa yun?
I didn't you want to eat it? Eat it. Eat the danger. I know. Never got to eat this one.
No.
Yes. Do it. Your ears. Eat it. Eat the vegetable. Please. Put it in your ears.
Around the eyes. Around the voice.
Put your some
Sassy.
I put in your boom. Boom, power boom. Boom. Ah. You. Hey.
Ew.
You already eat the vegetables.
Jadi may glass.
It's a grass. That's not a grass. It's a vegetable.
Vegetable.
It's time to eat the big one.
No.
Eat it. Yeah.
Ako ba?
Eat the big
Ako,
gum.
mama. Nay, kugmo.
Eat the kumu.
Kugmo. Kada kugmo.
Yes.
Ah.
Ati lang. I will gonna remove your kumu.
No. Zero.
Look at this sauce. See. Eat it. Eat the giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe is looking up. Ani, food.